1776. That was a big year for the United States. It was the year they declared independence from Britain. Well, that turned out to be easier said than done. Why? Because Britain had the most powerful navy in the entire world. It seemed that the only way to beat the British Navy would be to build a US Navy that was just as big. But the United States didn't have near enough supplies to do that. The situation seemed hopeless. Enter a guy named David Bushnell. Bushnell looked at the situation in a different way. A very different way. Bushnell thought about the problem the United States really needed to solve. The problem wasn't figuring out how to build more ships. The real problem was figuring out some way to fight the British Navy without using a lot of supplies. Bushnell asked a new question. What can we build using only the materials that are lying around here that can sneak up on the British ships and attack them? Sometimes the only way you can find a solution to a problem is by asking the right questions. So when engineers start to design something, first they have to define the problem that needs to be solved. That's why the first part of the design cycle is called define. By asking the right question and defining the real problem, Bushnell came up with a sneaky solution. He called it the turtle because he made it out of two pieces of wood that looked kind of like turtle shells. The turtle could travel underwater with enough air to last one person a half hour, enough time to sneak up on a British ship. Wow! Do you see what Bushnell did? By defining the problem in a creative way, he designed the world's first military submarine.